Cool. So let me ask some questions about the user testing.
Okay.
So how did you feel before the process?
Very annoyed.
Because you just talked to your boyfriend and yeah, you didn't have enough time to like describe all the planning.
And you just left it all to me.
Oh yeah, that sounds angry. Okay, so how did you feel afterwards after using the squishy ball and the technique?
I think the technique does help because it sort of help you see things in a different light. But the thing is, it still doesn't solve the problem. So even if you are able to see from a different angle, I guess the problem's still there. It does make you feel less angry at the person. But in terms of stress level, it doesn't really solve anything.
Okay.
You know what I mean, right?
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I know the problem is still there, but does your mood change? Or you say you just feel a little bit better, right? Not that as angry as before to the... Okay.
Yeah. So in terms of emotion, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
So I don't feel as bad. But in terms of the actual course load, well, not course load, workload, it's still the same. So I still have to go through the same thing. The problems that I have is still there.
Yeah, because the purpose of this ball is like to make people think positively. So why we use these techniques that we want you to like think things from different angles, like you say. So yeah, I agree that it doesn't solve the problem, but we would just want to test that if it makes any difference. Like, oh, maybe I can think this way, and I'll make you feel better, you know, be more happy. Yeah, it leads to happiness, right? Eventually.
Right.
So we hope this squishy ball will make you like think positively and like, I don't know, just release your pressure or.
Yeah, and I think over time, if you use the techniques a lot, when you're in sort of a more negative situation, then you'll start to accumulate this habit of trying to reframe it. So I think it's pretty good. Like, I like how it teaches you technique instead of doing it for you.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Let's see. So is there anything else you want to share about the experience?
I like how you can do things with to the ball.
Okay. So besides throwing it on the wall, what else do you want to do with that?
I think sometimes bouncing the ball, if you can actually bounce, that sort of help you think or reflect. Yeah.
So maybe it shouldn't be the squishy ball. It should be a bouncy ball or something.
Yeah. So maybe you can do different things to it, or maybe you can just keep on pressing it. So sometimes if you do like repetitive motion, so if you keep on doing, I don't know, you just squeeze it, or you just throw it and it bounces back, and you keep on throwing it. So it's sort of like help you think as well. So yeah, I thought that was helpful.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Stop recording now.
No problem.
Yay.